So I'm going to show you now some of the materials that you have to work with in the ERC kit that students can work with when they're investigating wind power, generating electricity with wind. So one of the first things you're going to want to do is set up your wind generator. So you have a base, you have a post, and you can drive that right down into the base, and you can attach the wooden generator to the top of the post. That should all fit pretty snug together. One of the things you're going to have to do is get this black hub onto this metal shaft, and you'll notice there's a little divot right here in the shaft, and there's a screw that you're going to want to loosen up with this Allen wrench to get this hub onto the shaft. Tighten up that screw, don't over tighten, just so it stays firmly attached to that shaft. Now with the hub, this is where students are going to be able to attach the different blades. There's a number of different holes that they can choose from. I'm just going to set it up right now with 3 blades. So you're going to have to loosen this wing nut. Put the blades in here. And then we're going to crank this down, but not too tight. Just tight enough to grab onto the base of those blades. Now that that's set up, we should have a functioning wind turbine here. But how do we know that we're actually producing any electricity? Well, what we're going to have to do is actually attach the voltmeter to the top of this so that we can see, so the students can observe that they're actually producing electricity. So we're going to take a couple wire leads. I'm going to hook one here and another one here. Take the voltmeter and just rest it on top of here for now. Attach the other end here and the other end here. And let's see what happens. Don't forget to turn it on. Okay, now if I spin the shaft, you're going to see I'm not producing any voltage, but instead there's a light right here that says reverse polarity. What that means is that the current is trying to go through the meter, but it's not going through the right way. So what we need to do is disconnect these and just switch them. And now if it's all set up the right way, when I spin this shaft, you'll see that we're actually producing some voltage. So at this point, we've got a wind turbine that's working, and students can conduct a number of different investigations. They can experiment with the number of blades that they put onto the hub. They can experiment with the angle of the blade, and there's a protractor here that they could use to measure the angle of the blade. And they can also experiment with wind speed, and they can test to see what kind of voltage they're going to get. So I hope that helps, and I hope your students have some good investigations with wind power.